Picture this. You've just uploaded your third YouTube video. You're sitting at exactly 7 subscribers, and you're staring at those depressing analytics numbers. Your finger is hovering over the share button, ready to blast your channel link to every friend and family member you know. Stop right there. I'm about to save you from making the biggest mistake that could literally kill your channel before it even gets started. I've been studying YouTube creators for years, and I've watched countless channels die because of this one critical error. The creators who succeed, they do the exact opposite of what feels natural. They keep their mouths shut, work in the shadows, and let the algorithm do its job. Today, I'm revealing why telling people about your YouTube channel is creative suicide and what successful creators do instead. Here's what nobody talks about. When you share your videos with friends and family, you're not helping your channel grow. You're actually poisoning the algorithm against you. Let me explain how this works and why it matters so much. YouTube's recommendation system is incredibly sophisticated. It analyzes every single interaction with your content to determine who should see your next video. When your mom clicks on your video link from Facebook, watches 30 seconds out of politeness, and then clicks away, YouTube registers this as negative data. The algorithm thinks your content isn't engaging because people aren't watching it through completion. Even worse, your personal network likely has zero interest in your actual topic. If you're making fitness content but your college buddies are into gaming, their behavior tells YouTube your videos should be shown to gamers. This creates a cascading effect where each new video gets pushed to the wrong audience, performs poorly, and signals to YouTube that your content isn't worth promoting. I've seen creators get stuck in this trap for months. They'll have 100 subscribers from their personal network, but their videos consistently flop because the algorithm learned the wrong lesson about their audience. Breaking out of this pattern requires starting fresh or waiting months for the algorithm to relearn your true audience. The second major problem is feedback distortion. Your friends and family will lie to you with the best intentions. They'll tell you your video is amazing when it's actually unwatchable. They'll praise your thumbnail when it's completely unclickable. This false positive feedback prevents you from improving because you think you're doing everything right. Real YouTube success comes from brutal honesty about your content quality. When strangers find your videos through search or recommendations and choose to watch them, that's genuine validation. When they subscribe without knowing you personally, that's proof your content has real value. Your aunt subscribing because she loves you tells you nothing about your actual skill level. Then there's the psychological pressure. Once people in your real life know about your channel, you start making videos for them instead of your actual target audience. You worry about what your coworkers will think instead of focusing on creating value for strangers who actually care about your topic. This self-consciousness kills creativity and authenticity. Many successful creators describe feeling liberated when they realized nobody they knew was watching. They could experiment, be vulnerable, and take creative risks without worrying about judgment from people they see every day. This freedom is crucial during your early development phase when you're still figuring out your style and voice. The urge to promote your channel comes from impatience and lack of understanding about how YouTube actually works. You see those 7 subscribers and think, getting to 20 would be a massive improvement. But those 13 extra subscribers from your personal network might actually hurt your channel's long-term growth potential. Instead of seeking quick validation, focus on the fundamentals that actually matter. Study successful channels in your niche and analyze what makes their thumbnails clickable. Practice your delivery until you can hold attention for longer periods. Research trending topics and learn to create titles that generate curiosity. These skills compound over time and lead to genuine growth. The most successful creators I know treat their first 50 videos as practice rounds. They expect those videos to perform poorly because they're still learning. They don't waste time promoting bad content to the wrong people. Instead, they focus entirely on improvement, knowing that once they create truly engaging content, YouTube will reward them with organic reach. This approach requires patience and delayed gratification, 2 qualities that separate successful creators from the 90% who quit after a few months. When you resist the urge to share your early work, you're investing in your channel's long-term potential rather than seeking short-term ego boosts. Consider starting your YouTube journey as a completely anonymous creator. Don't use your real name, don't show your face if possible, and definitely don't connect it to your existing social media accounts. This gives you complete creative freedom and ensures that every subscriber genuinely cares about your content topic. The loneliness of this approach is real, but it's temporary. As your channel grows, you'll connect with other creators and build a community around your shared interests. Online communities and creator forums can provide the support and feedback you need without contaminating your audience data. Remember, YouTube wants you to succeed because your success means more engagement on their platform. The algorithm is actually on your side, but only if you feed it clean data about your true audience. Every fake subscriber and pity view from your personal network makes it harder for YouTube to find the people who will genuinely love your content. The path to YouTube success isn't about gaming the system or finding shortcuts. It's about developing real skills, creating genuine value, and trusting the process. Keep your channel secret, focus on improvement, and let your content speak for itself. The audience will come when you're ready for them.